Have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Unrestored, original paint. Paint gauge all over it. You know, anywhere from a couple mils to 4-point-something mils. But the original paint on the car, amazing condition, original interior. Dual front seat swivel buckets. I've only seen it on the driver's side, but passenger dual swivel seat buckets. Brake, steering, air. Original paint. Just a nice car. The wheels and tires have been upgraded. They have been replaced. But as far as the wheels, tires, all that is original on the car. Go to www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Owner's manual, other booklets from General Motors. Just nice condition. Teeny little scratch right there. This is another little teeny scratch chip. We got touch-up paint. We'll be touching that up. Little imperfections in the paint, but I'm being picky. This is, paint is just so nice, being original. Like to come in and check this out in person, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Oh my goodness, it's gonna drive me crazy. Well, key buzzer works. Say seatbelt buzzer works. Forest your itinerary, St. Louis International, Lambert International. They are the one and the same. We're more happy to pick you up, bring you to any one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. Take it out for a ride. We'll put it up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit. You do not need to have all the money. We have fantastic financing. Usually 10% will do it. Credit is king. Great rates, great terms. So you can drive the car, your dreams, for as little as 10% down. We can arrange transportation anywhere in the world. Once the car is paid for, we can arrange that transportation, and you will pay for the transportation in full when the car is delivered. Again, pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Do the best I can to answer any questions you have, any requests you have. So it's a good running, driving car. Love this car. The originality, original. Just gets up and goes. Love this car. Straight down the road, no issues. They say they're only original once. Just gotta love this vehicle. Its color pops. It's like a lime gold. with this white dual swivel buckets, power brakes, power steering, factory air, bucket seat, center console, car, tilt wheel. Riding on new BF Goodrich radial TAs. Again, we're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. That's Fenton, Missouri, the suburbs of St. Louis. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.